What is going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Calendly integration. I am so excited about this because we have the ability to natively integrate with Calendly, have Charlie Autobook onto your sales team's calendar. Super excited about this. So the way that you're going to do this is you're going to essentially go into and select the AI setter that you want auto booking enabled for. You're going to go to integrations and you're going to go to Calendly. You're going to click integrate. All right, so now it's integrated into my Calendly. Now remember, you need to be logged into Calendly in order for it to be able to work that seamlessly. So log into your Calendly, and then a couple things that you need to do with your Calendly booking form. So you're gonna go and select the event that you want. You're gonna edit that event, and what you need to do, this is really important, the booking form. What you're going to do with the booking form is you're going to make sure these fields, like instead of it saying first and last name, it should just say name, right? And then it's going to have the email required, but any other fields in the Calendly form should not be required. So the phone number shouldn't be required. So you can have it there, but make sure it's not required. And any other fields that you have in the Calendly form should not be required if you want Charlie to auto book onto that specific calendar, right? So you can have a public facing calendar and then create a separate calendar that's specifically for Charlie that doesn't have those fields enabled, right? So you're gonna go ahead and edit your booking form so that it has just the name and the email as required and nothing else. What Charlie is going to do is the phone number that it already has is going to be passed through. If it doesn't have the email, it's going to collect the email from the prospect, send the calendar invite. So this is going to work directly inside of any social media DM platform that we're integrated with. So Facebook DMs, Instagram DMs. If it doesn't have their email, it's going to gather their email. What this is going to do simultaneously for you using Go High Level, it's going to allow you to sync those contacts info automatically, and then Charlie can get them booked onto your calendar. So once that is done and you've integrated it, next step is going to be selecting the calendar you want Charlie booking onto. You're going to go to the settings on the right hand side. You're going to scroll down to booking, and then you're going to click the booking, and then you're going to enable auto booking. Excuse me. You're going to enable auto booking, and then you're going to select the calendar that you want Charlie booking onto. Remember, the dashboard automatically saves any changes that you make, and it's going to be able to do that. And then the next thing you're going to do is inside of your CTA, instead of sending people a link, you're just going to adjust the CTA to this. Okay, great. Just need to know your time zone so I can get everything set up for you. What city do you live in? Right, and that's all you need to do, and Charlie's going to take care of the rest. Once it knows the time zone, it's going to make sure that either the person can say the time zone or they can say the city that they live in. Either way, Charlie's going to recognize what they say, know their time zone, and adjust the calendar invite so that it's showing them availability based on their time zone, and that's it, right? So, and then what you'll need to do is adjust the hunts so that instead of sending them a booking link, it's going to just follow up with them and ask them if they're still open to scheduling a call, right? And then what you can do with auto booking is you can set rules where you can tell it, hey, only offer people X amount of times, whatever it is, but that's already kind of baked in. So that's all you need to know. So essentially what you'll do, you'll select the AI setter that you want enabled for auto booking. You go to integrate, you'll integrate your Calendly into that AI setter, and then you'll go to the settings. Under bookings, you'll select the calendar that you want, and then you'll make sure that the calendar that you want Charlie booking onto, you edit the calendar type, and you just edit the booking form so that it only requires the name, not first and last name, it just name, right? And then it only requires the email, and all the other forms aren't required, okay? So that's all you do. You go ahead and save it, and you should be good to go. And Charlie will be conversationally booking calls onto your calendar.